Like our earliest ancestors, we all look up to the skies for inspiration, for meaning, for hope. Just as our outdoor environment is defined by the view above, so is the space we create inside. Ceilings are our skies. They bring visual warmth, comfort, and awe to our interior spaces. At CertainTeed Architectural, we understand the importance of ceiling and wall design. That's why we're here to partner with you. From economical acoustical panels and suspension systems, to unique ceiling showpieces in metal, felt, fiberglass, and wood, we have the right solutions for every space and every budget. With CertainTeed Architectural, there are no limitations to your design vision. Create, build, innovate, breathe vibrant life into every space. Continue to inspire those who always look up. We're here to collaborate with you to bring your vision forward. Our diverse portfolio is supported by collaborative professionals with expertise in acoustics, installation, engineering, and innovation. Our primary goal is simple: to be your ceilings problem solver. We manage the details so you can focus on pushing the boundaries of ceiling and wall design. It's a roll up your sleeves attitude. Get the job done right the first time, tailored to your exact specification. With the right materials and the right expertise, together we can realize the creative potential of every project. Keep spaces inspired. Keep people looking up in wonder. Keep designing with creative passion. Whatever the job calls for, CertainTeed Architectural can help you bring it to life.